Hi everyone, my name is Gundeep Singh. I study in class 7th D in DPS Khanna. Today my topic is presentation on sericulture. Introduction. Sericulture is the cultivation of silk through rearing of silkworm. It is an agro-based industry. It involves the raising of food plants for silkworm, rearing of silkworm for production of cocoons, reeling and spinning of cocoons for production of yarn, etc. For value added benefits such as processing and weaving. Silk is a strong but light and soft cloth having shimmering appearance. The silk fibers are also animal fibers obtained from the cocoons of silk moth or silkworm. The rearing of silk moths for obtaining silk is called sericulture. Life history of silk moth. The female silk moth lays hundreds of tiny eggs on the mulberry leaves. The larvae that hatch out the eggs are called caterpillar. When the caterpillar is ready to enter the pupal stage, it stops feeding and its salivary glands secretes fiber around the pupa. This cover around the pupa is called cocoon. Cocoon is a ball shaped and is formed of silk fiber. History of silk. A Chinese tale of discovery of silkworms. Silk by an ancient empress Li Hu, the wife of the emperor. She was drinking tea under a tree when a silk cocoon fell into her tea and the hot tea loosened the long strand of silk. As she picked it out and started to wrap silk thread around her finger, she slowly felt a silk, a warm sensation. When the silk ran out, she saw a small larva. She realized that this caterpillar larva was the source of the silk. She taught this to people and it became widespread. Processing of silk making. The processing of silk making requires hard work and diligence. Steps include raising silkworms, development of silkworms, spinning the cocoon, processing silk. Species of silkworm: mulberry silkworm, tesser silkworm, muga silkworm, airy silkworm, ox silkworm, giant silkworm. Sources of silk: the best quality of silk is obtained from the cocoons of silk moth, Bombyx mori. Wild silk called tesser is obtained from moths that feed on oak leaves. Muga silk is obtained from another wild variety of silk moth found in Brahmaputra Valley. More about silk. Silk is the strongest of all natural fibers. It is even stronger than the steel fiber of same thickness. China is the leading silk producer country in the world. Other major silk producing countries are Japan, India and Italy. Known as silk making reached India only in 300 CE by traders and travelers. Italy became silk center for western countries of Europe. Silk fibers are spun into silk threads which are used by the weavers to weave the cloth. Importance of sericulture. Sericulture and silk textile industry is one of the major subsectors comprising the textile sector related to natural fiber, i.e. silk. Silk is inseparable part of Indian culture and tradition. No ritual is complete without silk being used as a wear in the form of sari and other. India is the second largest producer of Silk after China in the world and unique country which produce all four varieties of silk. Sericulture is a combination of agriculture, animal husbandry, cottage industry, and pure textile activity. Sericulture has potential of employment generation, export oriented, and makes the flow of wealth from rich classes to poor classes. Merits of sericulture: high employment potential, provides vibrancy to village economies, low gestation, high returns, women friendly occupation, ideal program for weaker sections of the society, eco friendly activity, satisfies equity concerns. Uses of sericulture: clothing in business as source of employment, preparation of fishing line and elastic webs, used in insulation coils for telephone and wireless receivers. Occupational hazards of industry: silk workers of sericulture industry are affected by respiratory diseases such as asthma and bronchitis. Workers develop infection, skin diseases due to dipping of hands in boiling water, severe headache, fever and pain in neck and low back, leg deformity and bow laggedness are also found in some workers. Bibliology: under the guidance of Mr. Jitendra Sir, Living Science by Ratnasagar, New Science Power Class 7, Google and other sites.